Hey everyone, welcome back into a tutorial. In this video, I am going to show you how to set up McDonald delivery profile. So, if you have a McDonald app and you created account on that, so you can open your McDonald application. But if you don't have that account for McDonald app, so you go and create an account for that. I made one video on that, so you go and check it and make your accounts. So in this video I'll guide you step by step process how you can set up your McDonald delivery profile. So let's get start to the video. First of all, open your McDonald application. It will take time. So after opening your McDonald application, now you can see here different icons are there down, like home, my McDonald delivery, feedback, more, everything is there. Now you can see at the between one MC delivery written like that, but it is actually McDonald delivery. So tap on that only this time. Now you can see here everything icons are there. Again you can see here at the down, not totally down. After that you can see here home, menu, search, and McDonald's, everything is there. So tab on my McDonald, tab on that. Inside that you can manage your payment system. So tab on manage payment system, and it will ask for sign up and login. Tab on that. I done that process, so it is not asking for me. So after that, go back. In that you can see here my mobile number is there. So inside that you can see one pencil icon is there. Tab on that. Now enter your full name here. After that, after entering your mobile number and all, then give your email ID and select your date of birth. mm, let's select, then click on save. Now you can go and check it that your account is created or not for that profile. Now you can see here your McDonald delivery profile is created as the name your rock, yeah, ydb and all. So in this way you can create your McDonald delivery profile. So if you like this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for watching this video.